Hello from AlphaCars in our Acton location. Today we're showing an amazing and absolutely stunning, like new example. In fact, the car is practically brand new. It has less than 1,000 miles. And for you that are looking at this car, I'm sure you're familiar with the special color, not reproducible. The car is absolutely original in every way. There's not a chip, there's not a scratch, there's nothing that makes this car any different than the one that is produced now at the Porsche factory. Except this car is completely wrapped, professionally done, with a 3M material. It has factory unique wheels. The interior, and again, you can see all the details in our actual listing, but with this video we're just quickly showing you real life the stunning automobile. It has endless and endless options. This car cannot be reproduced. There are only single units that were made, and I don't think there are ones with mileage of less than 1,000 miles. This is that one time when we can say the car is in new condition. Not like new, not similar to new. This is brand new car we're looking at here at AlphaCars in Acton, Massachusetts. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Please visit our website, alphacars.com, AlphaCars.com, or give us a call at 978-263-9000. We may or may not have this car available, but it is available now at the time when we do this video. Thank you.